Convert units of volume. Pause the video and have a go at examples 4 through to 7. We measure volume using cubes. Here we have a 1 centimeter cubed on the left. That is 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter. If we think of that in millimeters, we know that 1 centimeter is 10 millimeters. So a centimeter cubed is actually 10 millimeters by 10 millimeters by 10 millimeters. What we do is we cube the units. So 1 centimeter cubed, 1 cubed is 1, a centimeter cubed will be centimeters cubed. 10 cubed, that will be 10 times 10 times 10, and then millimeters cubed. So 1 centimeter cubed is 1,000 millimeters cubed. On the right hand side we've got 1 meter. Now 1 meter cubed is 1 meter by 1 meter by 1 meter. And if we break meters up into centimeters, you can see very small there, but that would be 100 centimeters to make the meter. So a meter cubed would be 100 centimeters by 100 centimeters by 100 centimeters. So we know 1 meter is 100 centimeters. If we want to get the cubic units, we cube that conversion. So we write down what we know, which is that 1 meter is 100 centimeters. Then we cube it. 1 cubed is 1 meters cubed. 100 cubed is 100 times 100 times 100, and then centimeters cubed. So 1 meter cubed is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. Or in other words, it's a million. 1 meter cubed is 1,000,000 centimeters cubed. Okay, example 4, we have to express 1 centimeter cubed in millimeters cubed. So to start off our conversion, we write down what we know about centimeters and millimeters. We know 1 centimeter is 10 millimeters. For cubic units, we need to cube that, and we get that 1 centimeter cubed would be 10 times 10 times 10, which is 1,000 millimeters cubed. So if you have 1.4 centimeters cubed, you'd have to times that by 1,000 to put that into millimeters. And that would be 1,400 millimeters cubed. Example 5, we've got 0.06 meters cubed, and we want to put that into centimeters cubed. So we write down what we know. We know the conversion from meters to centimeters is that 100 centimeters makes a meter, and then we cube that to get the cubic conversion. 1 meter cubed would be 100 times 100 times 100, or in other words, 1,000,000 centimeters cubed. So to change from meters cubed to centimeters cubed, we have to multiply by 1,000,000. So we get 0.06, we times that by 1,000,000. That will give you 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, that's right. Example 6. We have to express 84 millimeters cubed in centimeters cubed. So we start off with the conversion that we know, that 1 centimeter is 10 millimeters. The cubic conversion, we cube that. 1 centimeter cubed, 10 cubed is 1,000. So 1 centimeter cubed is 1,000 millimeters cubed. To go from millimeters cubed to centimeters cubed, we're going to the bigger unit, which means there'll be a smaller number. So we've got to, this time, divide. So 84 divided by 1,000 to go back into into centimeters cubed. So 0.0084. 1, 2, 3. And that's now in centimeters cubed. Example 7, express 2,700,000 centimetres cubed in metres cubed. So we start with what we know, and that's that 1 metre is 100 centimetres. We get the cubic conversion by cubing both sides, and we get 1 metre cubed is 100 times 100 times 100, which is 1 million centimetres cubed. So if we're going to change 2,700,000 centimetres cubed into metres cubed, we have to divide by 1,000,000, because 1,000,000 centimetres cubed make up a metre cubed. So that division I'm writing as a fraction, and then I can divide, cancel out 10, 10, 10, 10, and 10. An easier calculation now I've got is 27 divided by 10, which is 2.7, and that's metres cubed.